So, this is my Loquat. I saw it on YouTube that this will grow healthy in tropic country. So, bumili din ako. I got this Loquat 3 months ago. And it was so small. Seedling is like 6 inches high. But look at it. I was so surprised because when I got this, the leaves are just this small. But now, the new growth, look how big it is. And to think it's only in pot, like that. There. And there is one problem on the other leaf. I don't know what happened here. It's folded. There is I don't know what's that. Webs inside. So and the trunk or stem starting to get big. See, sticker. Wow, I love this. I hope it will fruit. I never tasted loquat before, so if this will fruit, then happy me. So there you go. That's my loquat.